see all the snow. Hey there, hi there, ho there. Welcome to loveandtruckin.com. This is Andrea. I'm so glad that you're hanging out with me tonight because I'm a little bit nervous about that. We are coming into Spartanburg, South Carolina, and that is a serious looking sky. We got some lightning. I mean, this is like mega lightning. I don't think I've ever seen this much lightning, this quick, this consistent in one spot ever. And it's like hidden up there behind that big archway of clouds. And it looks like we're heading straight into it. That's what I'm thinking. Straight into it. So, oh! Okay, getting closer. I might pull off up here and have a look-see as to what this is doing, which direction it's moving. Looks like it's going to the east, but okay, I'm starting to feel a pretty good amount of wind up in here. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna pull over because I'm seeing leaves and all kinds of paper products going across the highway. Oh, that's a pretty good, you probably didn't see that, but I'm feeling a hit of wind. That's pretty rough.
Yeah, I got those down, skip, but that sound like booster to back up. Level.
Should hear what people are saying.
Okay, it's breaking up now, though. Breaking up.
I'm hearing people on the oh! This is a little nerve-wracking. I mean, I'm not afraid to get hit by lightning. Well, actually, everybody should be. I mean, like lightning can do some serious damage to the human frame. Oh my God, that's amazing. I have never seen lightning this, like, constant. But it's also starting to come into some rain, and the wind is really picking up. I can feel the truck like just being pushed. Okay, take a deep breath. I'm getting off because this wind is too much, way too much, and we're light tonight. We picked up and we're heading up to Pennsylvania, which I don't know why we're going up to Pennsylvania. We were supposed to be heading south to Florida, but oh my goodness, that didn't happen. So I'm going to stop here up here at this pilot and see who knows what. Look at those traffic lights just swinging in this wind. I heard a moment ago that on the CB that it's like 50, 58 mile per hour winds. And that's just way too much for the truck. Just too light to, to fight that. I'm just amazed. I've never seen lightning like this.
You're gonna be in some hellacious rain, hail, wind, and everything. Get right closer
traffic lights, they are swinging in this wind. This is pretty intense. We have 18,000 pounds in the box according to the bills, but it just doesn't feel quite like that to me, and that's usually, if it's going to be different from the bills, it's usually heavier. But in this case, it actually feels lighter. So I'm thinking, well, I'm just going to find a spot to go into a CAT scale and weigh this, make sure what I'm up against when it comes to this wind, because I'm hearing 58 to 65 miles per hour wind gusts. That's a bit much. Okay. Here's the CAT scale. Said there's a CAT scale in the GPS. There's the fuel. I'm not seeing a CAT scale. I'm not seeing the sign. Where is it? It says there's a... Oh, psh. Okay, I see it. It's tucked back here in the corner. Man, that lightning, that's just quite a show. Pretty stupendous, if you ask me. So here's our CAT scale, tucked back here in the back. I don't think I've ever seen a CAT scale in this configuration. But, get up here, get this weighed. So we're heading up to Pennsylvania, and we're supposed to be going to Florida to see Jay's mom. So I don't know what's going on. Perhaps they're gonna route us back down the East Coast. Con-Way is always really good about getting you home on time. So, well, I'm gonna tell you all right now that was some super strong winds and got my attention. So I slowed it down to 45 and got off the next exit. I am sitting here in a TA. I know this is a pilot, and I weighed this load because I knew it was light, but I didn't know exactly how light. And it's really, really light. Here's how much we weigh. Okay, 15,000, 15 and a half. And it's like, they're saying it's like 65 mile an hour winds, 50 to 65. That's way, way too much. So I'm gonna hang out here. It just rained like the bottom fell out, but that's passed. Still have a lot of lightning up here. Turn this light off. Let's see. Lots of trucks are getting off 85 north to Spartanburg. They're saying hail and rain where you can't even see. Lots of people pulled off on the side. So, I think, oh, you just missed this amazing lightning bolt. That was awesome. Oh my God. So, I'm going to sit here for a minute and see what happens before I venture back out. This is a jet load, so we have a time crunch, but we also have nature. Mama nature. That's one of the things I love about Con-Way is that safety is priority number 1, not 2, not 3, 1. So if I just stopped, I sent a note to ops to let them know that the situation, and I'll let them know when I can roll. And that's the best I can do at the moment. It does look like this is moving quickly, and since I'm going north, perhaps it's just going to pass on across. We'll see. Well, I think we're going to go ahead and roll. It's been about half an hour sitting here in, let's see where. We're in Duncan, thunderstorm warnings. It says dangerous and severe thunderstorm. And severe thunderstorm warning. So, it does look like the storm is moving. And while we are heading in the direction of the storm, it is up front. So, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how far we get. So here's the storm map, and here is us. And we're heading to here, to Charlotte. So we're kind of going the direction of the storm, but if I press this button, it shows the movement, and it is moving faster. It's pretty quick. We might catch up to it, but at the moment, let's get it to refresh here. At the moment, hey, hush up. Okay, this was here a moment ago, or a half hour ago. So we're going to go ahead and start, and we're going up 85 to Charlotte and taking this up to Greenboro. So there is still a pretty significant amount of lightning, but the thunder has now passed over. It's not right over our head, and it has stopped raining. The lights, the traffic lights, are no longer swinging in the wind, so I feel confident about moving forward. So let's go ahead and start rolling. I'm not going to take a chance on flipping a truck in 50 mile or 55 mile an hour winds. That's my choice. That's the choice I made. I'm looking forward to going to Pennsylvania. Yeah, I can't go straight across. What do I do now? Apparently, I have to turn right. Or perhaps I should have gone out the other side of that. That's probably what I should have done. So I'm gonna have to go over here and do a turnaround. This doesn't make sense.
Miles, turn left on Inglesby Parkway, and then turn right in 500 feet.
Do what? I think that pilot should put up some signs that say, can't get to 85 north from here, or 85 south. It's just silly.
To the left on I-85 north.
So, the majority of the storm is past our current position. I think it's far enough beyond us that we can stay behind it, which is my preference. Look at this. This was the truck that I've been traveling with since Atlanta. So, this person stopped too. It's the same truck. It's the same license plate. So they stopped too to let this storm pass over. Well, I think we made the smart decision. Okay, it has officially been 1 hour sitting here on I-15 with a very big fire to our right. And people are just going nuts over here on the shoulder, driving up on